My friends, this time I am in front of Pine View Point. My friends, this Pine View Point is located in Kalimpong. My friends, at a distance of 2.5 km from Kalimpong bus stand, Pine View Nursery is a cactus nursery situated on Atisa Road in Kalimpong district of West Bengal. My friends, right now I am standing in front of Pine Garden ticket counter, and here the cost of ticket is rupees 20 per head, and now I am collecting the ticket for entering the Pine Garden. And one most important thing is that you have to bear rupees 30 for parking charges. My friends, first we have come to New Jalpaiguri railway station from Sialdaha by Tista Torsa Express. From New Jalpaiguri railway station, we used to reach this area of Kalimpong Pine Nursery by sharing Tata Sumo. Fare of Tata Sumo is rupees 400 per head. We have reached after 2.5 hours from the time of boarding at New Jalpaiguri railway station. Come on, my friends, now I shall take you on a dreamland of pine or cactus nursery. My friends, Pine View Nursery is a cactus nursery situated on Atisa Road in Kalimpong district of West Bengal. It is one of the popular nurseries in Kalimpong and one of the stoppage points in standard Kalimpong local sightseeing tour. My friends, the quaint hill station of Kalimpong has attracted travelers and plant enthusiasts for many years. This region is famous for its greenery and vibrant flora, which includes a wide varieties of orchids and cacti. One of the key attractions contributing to Kalimpong's tourism history is the cactus nursery, which is known for its extensive collection of cacti plants. My friends, this Pine View Nursery was established in 1971 by respected Mahan Pradhan and has history of collecting and cultivating cacti from around the world. He left his business, orchid business, and followed his passion for cactus. He got an opportunity to collect the various species of cactus during his trips to different parts of the world. Soon he started to raise them in his greenhouse, which he built at his home. My friends, This nursery is renowned for its diverse collection. Over 1,500 species of cactus plants, including varieties imported from America. This nursery has received several national and international awards for its cactus breeding efforts. My friends, spread over vast area of land, this pine nursery is full of cactus which were collected diligently from around the globe. Another notable aspect about this place is the fact that this nursery has the largest collection of cactus in entire Asia. The nursery is well maintained and few varieties are available for sale. My friends, cactus being an ornamental and perennial plant is known to flourish in extreme conditions. It has huge market and are usually used in parks and landscaping. Nowadays, this pine garden becomes most popular tourist spot in the world. The visitors are coming here from all over the world to witness the diverse display of cacti. As a top destination for nature enthusiasts visiting West Bengal, Cactus Nursery in Kalimpong continues to be a beacon of horticulture excellence and sustainable tourism. My friends, let's see how the packaging is on for the transportation to the various areas of India. Day by day, the demand and popularity of cactus is increasing at alarming rate across world, and the packaging is going on to be sent to the different areas in world. My friends, if you have one day planning in Kalimpong, then along with this pine garden, you may visit Delu Park, Mangal Dham and Hanuman Mandir. My friends, still I don't believe that there are various types of pines in pine garden in Kalimpong. I am amazed to visit this pine garden which is located in Kalimpong district in West Bengal of India. My friends, thank you.